In this video, I'm going to find f of x plus h minus f of x over h, where f of x is the square root of 2x plus 1. This type of problem is going to be important later in your calculus class when you learn about derivatives. So let's go ahead. So first we need f of x plus h, and what that means is evaluate f at x plus h. So we're going to substitute in x plus h for that x. So f of x plus h is the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 1. Now I want to subtract f of x, and that's the square root of 2x plus 1. And this is all over h. Now I would like to simplify this because I want to see if I can cancel that h on the denominator. So I'm going to rationalize. So I'm going to multiply both the numerator and denominator of this expression by the conjugate of the numerator. And the conjugate of the numerator is the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of 2x plus 1. And when I perform this multiplication in the numerator, I get this squared minus this squared. In other words, the root gets canceled, so I have 2 times x plus h plus 1 minus 2x plus 1. That's the point of multiplying by the conjugate. This is all over h times the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of 2x plus 1. Now let's simplify that numerator. So I'm going to multiply the 2 through on the numerator, and I'm also going to bring this negative through. And when I do that, I get 2x plus 2h plus 1 minus 2x minus 1. And I don't multiply out or expand in the denominator, just because it makes things easier for the types of problems that we're going to solve. So now in that numerator, I can cancel the 2x's, and I can cancel the 1's, and I am left with 2h all over h times the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of 2x plus 1. And now I can cancel these h's. And so I'm left with 2 all over the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 1 plus the square root of 2x plus 1. And that's the simplified version of f of x plus h minus f of x over h.